Why is this equation dividing the internet? So apparently 0.99999 for infinity is equal to 1. But why? Feels bold to just say they're the exact same number. Like, isn't this one unimaginably close to 1, but not exactly 1? Well, we can just minus them from each other to find the difference. To start, 1 minus 0.9 is equal to 0.1, and 1 minus 0.99999 is equal to 0.00001. But if we have an infinite amount of 9s, then we're left with an infinite amount of 0s. So it's just 0, meaning they're the exact same number. But maths isn't like physical reality. We can do stuff to it. So can't we just say after an infinite amount of zeros, a 1 would pop up? It would be the smallest number greater than 0, but not actually 0. And in fact, we already have a name for this number. It's called an infinitesimal. And I've mentioned in other videos that in some maths, you're allowed to count beyond infinity. So why can't we just do that here? Well, look, infinity is like a mathematical nuke. Its purpose is strictly reserved and shouldn't really be kept in the hands of people who don't know how to use it, like myself. Take this series for example, 1 minus a half plus a third minus a quarter plus a fifth, so on forever. Now, this equals the natural logarithm of 2. But if I rearrange this, I can make it equal any number I choose. This isn't maths breaking down, it's just the counterintuitive nature of infinity left in the hands of people like you and me. It's incredibly beautiful, but philosophically dangerous. But remember, the question is, does 0.9 recurring equal 1? Well, let's suppose x equals 0.9 recurring, and we multiply both sides by 10, then subtract the original x. We're left with 9x equals 9. Now, the only number that satisfies this equation is when x equals 1. But remember, we said that x equals 0.9 recurring. So we've algebraically proven they're the exact same number. Now, this isn't sleight of hand, it's just mathematics. And look, I love paradoxes and stuff where we overanalyze concepts just for the fun of it. But we have to remember sometimes the simplest approach holds the most truth. And just because you might not get it, it doesn't mean that it's wrong. Usually it means that you're wrong. Now, get off your phone.